Ministers of Special Duties and Foreign Affairs don come present scorecard give the cabinet. President Muhammadu Buhari na start the presentation of scorecard give members of the cabinet. Dis na make him for fit dey do proper check on top the work wey dem dey do and also know how the administration don waka reach for the next level agenda. Minister of Special Duties George Akume as na him turn on Wednesday 8 July 2020. He tell the council the ogbonge work wey him dey do to fit take support 100 million Naija people wey no too get for 10 years.
Every local government will have one industry, and this is based on industrial corridors. And we believe at the end of the day, this is capable of employing over 200 people per cottage industry. This is not small industries as such, but we call them cottage. And when you multiply that by 774 local governments, you know the number of people that will be given employment.
He tok say him don complete arrangements to buy better motor for transportation for within and outside the state, and him still dey work on plans to take produce plenty modern cooking stoves for Naija. This na to stop trees wey dem dey cut to cook.
It's very important that we do this because there are opportunities we can have from the World Bank. We're talking about millions of stoves, over 10 million. And you see that when it is being assembled or manufactured here, the number of people who will get employment, who will have this employment opportunities, the number is going to be quite high. We're looking at over 6 to 7 million people. And we have started a scheme whereby through the utilization of dams for the purpose of irrigation and power generation, we should be able to advance the course of agriculture in the country.
Minister of Foreign Affairs Geoffrey Onyema tell the council some of the ogbonge work wey im office dey do.
For instance, with regards to changing the foreign policy direction of the country, we need to have a meeting, an all-Nigerian meeting of stakeholders to look at our foreign policy and to review our foreign policy and to see in which direction it should be going. So we have started in that process of organizing this so that our foreign policy can reflect the realities of today and the realities of Nigeria's interest, national interest.
He talks say Naija don achieve plenty things as Naija people dey better positions for other countries.
Also, there's the Green Initiative that we're launching. It's an agricultural initiative with the Brazilian government, over $1.1 billion initiative, in which would also help to create jobs in this country and especially youth employment.
The minister talks say them don launch the Naija Diplomatic Initiative and say it go help for business between Naija people and foreign partners, access international markets, and it go still attract foreign direct investments. Here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today as ministers of Special Duties and Foreign Affairs don come present scorecard give the cabinet. Make una remember say na TMC TV na him carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Aisosa Osayende.